Welcome to Portrait Workshop by Shiny Colors Fine Art Classes. This is Rashmi Soni and today is day 4. So from today onwards we are going to start rendering features in detail. So today we will draw eye. Let's begin. These are the part of the eyes: brow ridge, eye socket, glabella, sclera, cornea, tear duct, eyelid, pupil and iris. So let's understand all the parts one by one. So we see the head. The brow ridge comes on the top of the eyes on this side. This is the eye socket where the eye sits, and between two eyes the part is called glabella. These are the two eyelid, upper and lower. This is the tear duct, and the part inside the eye, white part, is called sclera. If we see the eye, the colored part is called iris, and the black part inside is called pupil. And the part that is reflecting with the light called cornea, it is like a transparent part like a contact lens. If you look sidewise, the eye looks like that inside the brow ridge. So brow ridge protects eye from rain and dust. So eye, if you draw a diagram, it looks like that. Now let's see the sclera part. Sclera is white color, but it doesn't look white because of its shape and because it is inside of the eyelid. So it's a part kind of thing, sphere, and the eye comes all around it. Tear duct comes out of the circle, little bit out, and this is the upper eyelid, and here the lower eyelid, all around the sclera. Eye has 3 parts on the top and 2 parts on the bottom. So it looks like that. So with all the part, you can see the inside part of the eyelids, both the eyelids, lower and upper. See the eyelid wrap around the ball like this, and we can see sidewise it looks like that. Now see the iris and cornea all together. Cornea is the outside part that is a transparent like contact lens, and iris is the inside part that is a deep like a concave lens. So if we draw both the part together, let's see how it works with the light. So as being a deep like a concave lens, the light actually doesn't go inside the iris, so it becomes dark. That side the light is falling, and the cornea being a convex lens, it becomes bright, or it reflects which side the light is falling. So we have to always make the reflection of the cornea is on the darker part of the iris. So it comes something like that. So basically these two parts are like a two ball kind of thing, and those are sitting each other. One is dark and one is transparent. So when we draw it, it looks like that. So light reflects this side. Now as we know all the parts, let's draw an eye. So eye has 3 planes on the upper eyelid, front, that is a top plane, and 2 side planes, and on the bottom it has 2 planes. One comes straight and the other get the curve. This is the upper eyelid and this is the lower eyelid. The tear duct, and the pupil. The cornea, and as we know how it works with the light, so let's give a wash. So upper eyelid casts shadow inside the sclera, and as you know it has a round shape. We will give a wash. Over the eyelid. And on the lower eyelid too. Lower eyelid is getting a light from the top, so we have to leave that part. We should not give wash on that particular part where it is glowing. Let's make the eyebrows. And we have to give wash all over the part between the eyebrow and eyes, and the eye socket is something comes out of the eye also, so you can see little darkness around the eye. Basically we have to cover that with the washes and give the correct value on that. As the light is falling from the right side, we can see the left part of the eyelid is quite dark. So we should not color the part that is glowing in the light. And you can see outside of the lower eyelid also some light is reflecting. So we have to leave that part also. And we have to give the washes all around. As the upper eyelid is getting dark, the lower eyelid will also be dark. And we have to make the part around the tear duct part more dark, then only we can show it that it is glowing. Because on the white paper, how we can show the things are glowing? By making the surrounding part little more dark. So at the same time we have to retain the correct value also, and we have to do the correct value mapping with the value strip, but yeah, we can just decide by seeing also where is dark and where is light. So basically, once you are comfortable to giving values without value strip, you should not use, but if you are still learning, then you can use the value strip just to get the correct values. So as we have given the good amount of washes, now I am just applying more dark values to get it more lifelike. And you see how the light is working on our iris and cornea, and how it is started looking very beautiful in 3D. This part is the eyelash part of the down eyelid, and we have to make more dark on the left side. Eyebrow also, it's not fully dark all the way, so we have to see where the dark part is there, we have to give dark there only. And the upper eyelid has one fold on the top of it, so we have to do that also. One more thing, eyes are very soft, it doesn't have any hard line or a hard edge, so when we give the line, we have to give the line, because otherwise the figure will not look proper. But our edges of the line should be quite soft, and they have to merge properly with the background. So as you know that upper eyelid is casting shadow on the sclera part, so the outline of the upper eyelid should merge inside the sclera, and the fold of the upper eyelid merged in the full eyelid till the eye, so we have to merge there also. And one fold is also there on the upper eyelid, so that is also very soft and thin, and we have to retain nicely that fold also by giving nice and light washes. So eyebrow is also, as I was telling, it was not fully dark all the way around, so we have to look that where the hair is more dense, we can make more dark that side, and especially where the eyebrow starts, that side the hair is quite less, so just give a little final touch on the upper eyelid. As I was telling, this outline has to mix inside, has to merge inside the full eyelid till down. To get eyelid more 3D, we have to give more washes, and see the light is on the top right, so we have to just make the left side more soft and more dark, and the eyelid part is also little getting reflected light, so it is little bright, and that brightness will give you a 3D effect. We have to make the eyelash should not be pattern kind of thing, they are very loose, scattered here and there, so we have to make accordingly. and down eyelid has a very less eyelashes, so we have to make that. And on the eyebrows, you see, gradually you have to make the part that has more hair dark. More washes on the iris, more washes on the eyelid. See how beautiful the eye came. It's like lifelike. And now the upper eyelid. So upper eyelid also should not be all raised upside. Some are flat, some are curved, some are big, so we have to make accordingly, and we should not make all lifted. They will look very artificial. So where the hair eyebrow hair is starting, they are very less, so we have to make one and two, and as it is going inside, and the middle part of the eyebrow is quite dark, so we have to make that side dark, and at the end also eyebrow has less hair, so we can make accordingly. Little bit final touch everywhere, and see how beautiful the eye came. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends too. In the next video, I am going to describe how to draw nose. So please watch the next video also. By that time, see you my friends. Thank you for watching my video.